How to make my JS function work with arguments object instead of array. In JavaScript, when you need to handle multiple arguments within a function, you have the option to utilize the arguments object instead of an array. Understanding how to use this feature can simplify your code and make functions easier to manage. This post delves into the arguments object and explains how to effectively use it in your JavaScript functions. What is the arguments object? The arguments object is an array-like collection that includes all the arguments passed to a function. This special object can be useful when you need to work with functions that accept a variable number of arguments. Some key characteristics of the arguments object include: it is an array-like object, but not an actual array. It does not have the full array prototype methods, example, push, pop. It provides a means to access all the arguments passed to a function in a zero-based index manner. Benefits of using the arguments object. Simplicity. With the arguments object, you don't have to define multiple named parameters. You can simply pass as many arguments as needed. Code reusability. Functions can be more versatile and reusable without being confined by a fixed number of parameters. Improved flexibility. Functions can adapt to different numbers of arguments without requiring any changes to their implementation. How to use the arguments object. To use the arguments object in a function, you simply reference the special keyword arguments. Here's a basic example to illustrate its usage. In the above example, the function sumAll can handle any number of arguments, summing them up and returning the result. The arguments.length property indicates how many arguments have been passed to the function. Convert arguments object to an actual array. While the arguments object is array-like, it lacks the full suite of array methods. To take advantage of array methods, you can convert the arguments object to a real array using one of the following techniques. Using array.prototype.slice. Using ES6 spread operator. The spread operator and array.prototype.slice method both create a new array from the arguments object, allowing you to leverage all array methods. Conclusion: harnessing the power of the arguments object in JavaScript functions can lead to more flexible and concise code. While it functions like an array, remember that it's not a true array. However, converting it to an actual array is straightforward. Embracing the arguments object can enhance how your functions handle a variable number of parameters seamlessly. Remember to explore these techniques in your JavaScript projects to see which approach best suits your needs and coding style.